Good morning, friends. Let me speak more on this new age bullshit. It's called everything has a higher purpose, everything should be on the vibration, higher vibration. There's a movement of psychic energy, there's a soul to soul connection or a past life connection, or they have these malignant optimism, yeah, eventually things will be fine. You will meet your soul mate. They'll make it everything like a fairy tale. Like, I call these people, these self-absorbed, malignant narcissists. They're like so obsessed about themselves. They have these grandiose, fantastical, magical thinking, and they will talk everything in these spiritual jargons, spirit animals, spirit totem. ये क्या बात हुई? Do I need some weird kind of a creature coming and telling me something in my mind, putting ideas into my mind, something which I can do on my own? Do I really need some sort of a weird cartoon character coming from some corner of some universe as my spirit guide? What nonsense, this is chochlepana. And people are carried away, and I feel bad कि generally these highly educated females are into all these kind of thing. At least and these not so educated females, or the females from the lower class, they have so much of work to do on in their own house or outside, that they're completely busy all the time. While yes, these females who urban chicks, the goddesses and the queens and the princesses, the nasty bitches, they have so much of time, because even if they're working in the office, you'll see most of them just whiling away their time. They are on social media, flirting on some Tinder or some kind of a dating site, planning lunch, planning their next weekend get together, or where to go in the evening, or going for some mall shopping or hopping, or planning up. They're always planning something, these females, and they've got plenty of time. Either they'll be discussing their sun signs on their WhatsApp groups, then they have support groups. They're supposed to be emotionally traumatized by something. So they just want to be special all the time, right now. So they get into this astrology, tarot, new agey kind of thing, and we are close to nature, we are embracing ourselves, we are living the true authentic lives. Yes, fucking bitch, you're working in an office like a slave. That also, you're so clumsy with your work. But then we cannot even say anything because we will be sexist. It's nothing to do with a man or a woman. If you're doing a clumsy job, you're a clumsy worker. You're inefficient. Okay, it's nothing to do with you being a woman or a man. And especially what happens is that yes, they do become high strung, like now very uppity about their education and the college and the place where they live and the handbag which they're carrying and the mobile which they have, and what kind of a fine dining they are going for, and what kind of a clothes they are wearing. So it's very new agey, they'll be like, my spirit guide just passed on this message to me that I'm going to meet this fabulous man on this trip, because some stupid woman had written this book. One retard kind of a female, what was her name? Elizabeth Gilbert. Eat, love, pray, love, eat, kuch bakwas aisa, kuch pagal, something starting. She got this light bulb moment when she was divorced, and she had to go to this country for a spiritual journey to find herself. Bitch, that costs. When you're traveling and you're going to this random I can understand Italy, it's an European country. Like, she comes to India, to some North India, which is absolutely like, I don't want to say anything negative. It's North India. It's not fucking Europe that you just walk into and say, oh, India is so colorful and amazing place. It is an amazing place, but you need to be really safe, and you cannot be loitering away and gallivanting here and there, especially North India, which is very, very patriarchal, very misogynist, very chauvinistic in nature. They'll see a woman loitering around like this. I don't want to say anything. But this happens in most of these Asian countries because social conditioning is that women are very secondary, and ये क्या करते हैं ये females, because of their spiritual journey, they go around with their backpacks and they're tripping on some marijuana or something of that sort to find themselves, and then they find themselves somewhere else. Now this foolish woman goes backpacking to India, Italy, Indonesia, Bali, and then she finds her soul mate. Now, why do you have to drag yourself to Bali? To find your soul mate, right? Na? So this is what I'm trying to say. These people are always finding some connection, philosophy, happily ever after, fairy tale. ऐसे क्या होता है क्या लाइफ में कि हर बार our life should be like a movie, like a Bollywood movie, everything with a happy ending. ऐसा नहीं होता है. We should accept life as it is. And why are we so precious? God has created all kinds of species. तो वो क्या, they keep boasting about themselves or what all the time? Oh, we are so special, we are so special. No, we don't. So that's what I'm trying to say. That this new age makes us think like everything will disappear magically, or anything that happens in our life has got some connection. Our routine, mundane jobs or tasks which we have to do on daily basis, because our spirit guide is there, we are on higher vibrations, so we are meeting certain people, and then we are meeting soul sisters. I said these kind of women will be buying all these crystals, all these kind of books, rushing up to their tarot card reader. They must be having some personal, along with the therapist, they'll be having a personal tarot reader. And these kind of people will be in some support group, in yoga, rescuing animals. And in their house, they will be it will be kept very unkempt and dirty. They will be not doing their dishes or even cleaning themselves, just wearing some makeup, wearing fancy clothes and rushing off. Yeah, so that's what I'm trying to say. So they just keep feeling special about some sort of a global peace and harmony. Why should you be so cringy all the time, right? Na क्या contract लेके रखा है क्या? And they will be into this recycling, and they are the first ones to be the most consumeristic person, who will buy a lot of things online and all these packages and create more garbage, or buy food from Zomato and create more garbage. And but outside world, we are recycling plastic, we are minimalistic, we are whatever. So education should evolve you as a person, but I see people being more and more dumb. And let me tell the women that if you think you're so proud about your various designation and titles in the corporate world, let me tell you that the corporate world wanted a diverse labor force where they can have variety, in the sense more people working for them like slaves. And I'm sure most of these women are so miserable and sad because of the working condition, but they keep pretending as if they are working women. You're working woman because we need that extra income to support your lifestyle, to take care of the expenses. Working woman. Yeah, because in earlier days the man used to do, he was a breadwinner, the woman was the homemaker. So all the roles were defined clearly, the children were taken care of, sort of. But now the children, it's like we are outsourcing it to the babysitters, right? Na? So what is the higher purpose in this? Now these kind of females I've seen, like they waste a lot of time and energy chasing all this, going for Reiki, to be healed, spiritually healed. क्या है? Take your medicine, get back to work. There is no mumbo jumbo in this. And you have to have a positive outlook, not malignant optimism. And you have to accept things as they are. That is more important rather than being this, living in this parallel universe with manufactured reality where everything is like past life. Oh, I got a backache because in my past life I was this farmer girl and I was kicked by this cow in my barn. So now I'm having that backache. Past life regression. Another nutcase kind of a theory. That Brian was the person who did this, no? Past life theories. So New Age by itself is so and is so haphazard and random. And this is the most money-making business. Mind Valley, what is Mind Valley? The same New Agey shit. But you'll find these educated ones, higher vibration and chakras. My chakras are activated. मैंने बोला no, first get your brain activated. Chakras can be activated later. Let's talk some common sense. So that's what. As and when the ideas come into my head, concepts which I want to speak very openly about, I'll keep recording it. Thank you so much for listening. Please give me your feedback in the comment section. Subscribe, like if you like it. If you don't like it, it's also okay. But give me your feedback. What do you all want to? What topics do you want me to cover? What kind? I will try my level best to upgrade the production. Let us have a discussion. Yeah, just don't watch the content because it's not some comedy, it is not some kind of drama. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Females are very dramatic and even men are dramatic. It's just that just because they are men they get away with it. Oh, they have to show that, oh, I'm a man, so I will misbehave. For a man or a woman, if you're misbehaving with any kind of an excuse, you're a jerk, you're a prick, a pathetic beast. That's all I can say. And I said, even if these people follow so many things, they're still miserable, na, forever unhealthy and forever unhappy. Like me, I used to follow all these things. I was always very anxious, nervous, hyperactive, over enthusiastic. All that is gone off. Stressed out. Ever since I let go of all these kind of mumbo jumbo, kind of weirdo kind of things, theories in my life, I am blessed. I am free. Like really, I'm happy right now. So I would only suggest to people that instead of posting negative remarks, keep an open mind. You don't like it, don't watch it. But don't come and waste your time and my time writing nonsense. Right, na? Let's have a discussion. You're free to disagree with me. It's okay. But not like just anything toxic kind of a, attitude. Anyway, thank you so much. Please like it. It helps, it motivates, and I feel better because I've started uploading after 1 year. It was a difficult decision. I said I've overcome it. Now I'm going to be like back on track. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.